Right guys, welcome back to another episode. This one's going to be spread over a few days. What we'll be doing today is we'll be fitting spacers. I got them from lrparts.net. Very good company. They pretty much have all the parts for any Land Rover. And I got a little gift. Size 10 and 13, very handy when it comes to Land Rovers. Now, so I've ordered 30mm spacers. That's really nice. They look really good. Montec spacers, they look very decent, not very heavy, which is a good thing. So yeah, enjoy the watch. Well, it is rusty. It is really rusty. Inside, same. Okay, there's rust there. Rust is pretty much everywhere. I'm sure if I start knocking and some of the spots it's just gonna go through. Not great. Not great. It's pulled out, that's not good. Okay, I think because I have the window of the wheels off, I'm just gonna clean it. I might be able to treat it with something. Hold on. I'm not sure if you can hear me. I hope you do. But I have a compressor on in the background. We'll see whether 1299 Sandblaster would be able to do anything to this, to the rust. My impression, it will do for small jobs. I don't think it's mask. I don't think it's good enough. Actually, you know what? No, it is. Actually, I'm going to show you some. So you've seen before, this is after it took off any loose debris. You still need to take this off because that's just peeling off. In here it took all the loose metal and paint. In here, those are bad spots. Yeah, these are bad spots. Well, it prepped it. I think it's enough for what I'll be using it. So yeah, I would approve it. It's good enough. Now, by the end of the day, it's all down to your compressor. If you have a good enough compressor, it will do. Like I have 200 liters constant 8 bar, so it's absolutely fine. Okay, on to the next thing. So I'll try to take off all the loose metal and flaking paint, and then I will coat it with, I think it's called wax oil, underbody seal. Remove heavy deposit of dirt, grease and oil. Wire brush loose rust and paint. Ensure all surface clean and dry. Shake the can for at least 3 minutes after heating the alligator ball. Use under wings, door seals, chassis, floor. Fuel tanks do not apply to sump, gearboxes, exhaust system cables. Spray at a distance 25 centimeters in the side or to the motion. Keep the can in upright position. Apply minimum 2 coats, allowing for 1 to 2 hours between coats. Allow to dry overnight. Do not remove hammerite underbody seal from paint. Wipe off immediately with white spirits. Protect against high temperatures. Okay, so we are 2 coats in. I think I oversprayed it a little bit. I should have left the shocks, but you know what? I don't think it's gonna be any harm. My opinion is not too bad. Oh, okay, we let it dry. Right, so now I'm assuming I'm doing it again. I'm not reading instructions. The worst. Do you think I should put copper grease on the back? Should I? I don't think there'll be any harm, wouldn't me? But would that not let them work too much. No, there shouldn't be any given. Okay, so I'll put some copper grease on the back of it. So it'll be easier to remove, because in the future I need to change the brakes. Well, upgrade the brakes, but that's gonna be next year project. I don't have money this year. So it'll be easier to take it off. So I have those 1, 2, 3 done. Okay, so now these two. Okay, come on. Now, come on. Okay, this. Okay, 120. That's 120. That's all 120. Okay. Check the stand on this. That's lovely. $20 space, what would you say in comparison to this? Can actually see it sticking out a lot. That's fine. That's so nice. Right. Good on. Two to go. Okay, that's it for the day. I'm fairly tired, but I have to say it looks awesome. I don't know, I don't know if you can see it or not, but kind of pushes the car a little bit wider and then gives it this stance. I like it. I like it very much. Right, that's it for today. I'm still waiting for the parts to come in, so as soon as the parts will come, we'll continue on.